Welcome to How to Play the Dice Game Macau. To play, you will need one dice and two or more players. The object of the game is to be the first player to 3 points. A point is scored by winning a round. During a round, a player's turn is taken by rolling the dice as many times as wanted and keeping a running total of the amounts rolled. The goal is to roll a total closest to 9 without going over. The game begins with a player rolling the dice. The player then decides if they want to roll again. Sabrina chooses to roll again, bringing her total to 4. Sabrina chooses to roll again, and the roll brings her total over 9. If the player rolls a total amount over 9, they are bust for that round. A player can choose to stop rolling at any amount under the total of 9. Jill has rolled a 3 and 3 for a total of 6 and decides to stand. The turn moves to Kelly. Once each player has had a turn, the player with the total closest to 9 wins the point for that round. The player left of the player who took the first turn in the previous round will go first in the new round. The first player with 3 points wins the game. If 2 players tie for the closest total to 9, the tying players will have a playoff where each one takes another turn. The player closest to 9 on the playoff rolls gets the point for the round. If you enjoyed learning how to play Macau, and you are curious about other games, our channel is the go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.